Hello and welcome everyone to another video here on this channel about Bitcoin, Ethereum, QNT and also ADA. I will give you all the updates and provide you with my personal price targets and the actions what I'm going to do with my ADA long position. I will tell you all of the price targets which I'm looking out for right now for Bitcoin, Ethereum, QNT and also ADA. So stick here with me until the very end and enjoy this video. And we're starting here straight on the ADA 15 minutes time frame. And yeah, I think it's quite beautiful when we observe here the previous target areas which I gave you here. And as you can see, the first one, yeah, we perfectly touched, reversed from there, the second one as well, third one, fourth one, and now probably as well the fifth one. So let's see. Yeah. I personally provided my Telegram partners today with the update when we were around about here that I expect one last low here in this target area and a sharp recovery from there towards the upside, which actually happened. I mean, okay, we didn't pump too high yet, but it's looking quite nice. So also if we're looking at the indicators, you can see a slight bullish divergence here from those previous lows. And yeah, in my opinion, that's the target area I provided you with anyways. Yeah? And in comparison as well to this upwards move, this looks rather corrective. So, I mean, okay, of course, there is the opportunity of us breaking down, but for that reason, I set my stop loss. If we're breaking down, I mean, it would question quite the whole scenario, which I'm following here for the last weeks already. So I don't consider it as too likely that we are rolling over and that we are falling down. I mean, of course, we need to keep it in mind that it can happen. That's why I set my stop loss to limit the risk that I'm taking here. But yeah, my absolute primary expectation is a bounce towards the upside from here. And I really expect price targets here in the next imminent short term, around about the 46 US dollar cents. But if we're zooming out a little bit further, on the 2-hour time frame, let's say, for example, in my opinion, the next huge goal where I will take profits of this trade, where I will open hedge short positions, is around about the 60 US dollar cents. And since we made 4 1-2 setups here in a row, there should be only wave 4 retracements left. So not the wave 2 retracements, which are the strong ones. There should be only the slight wave 4 retracements left. And that's why I even think about not even opening a hedge short at those resistance levels, because in my opinion, it's quite likely that we are not seeing larger pullbacks until the 60 US dollar cents. I already followed these expectations somewhere here at the end of January, when I told you we need to come down in a 3-wave move in this target area, and then we have the chance to rally up to the 60 US dollar cents. And yeah, that's still my expectation. That's what I've been following here, and that's what have worked out here in the past quite nicely. So I will, of course, stick to that scenario and watch out what is happening here and also stay in my trade. Let's now have a look at the Ethereum chart as well. And there you can see we also held support. And we didn't break through this previous low, but this doesn't look impulsive yet. I mean, it has, of course, the chance if we are getting a breakout now, which breaks above those previous highs. Of course, it can develop. But from this graphic based off only, it looks quite like a triangle. So I would not overextend right now. I mean, the risk-reward ratio is quite nice because we should hold this support. We should not drop below that in this scenario, but we should reach price targets of 2,280 approximately, or even higher. When we zoom out even further, you can see the overall price target here is at the 3,000 US dollar level, which is practically a 75% increase from here. So that's what I'm looking out for as well since many weeks and months already. And I think that this is what's going to happen next. If we're looking at the Bitcoin chart, you can also see that we held previous support. The bounce we got wasn't too strong, I have to admit it. But we, of course, held previous support. We didn't drop below it. We also held the support area. And as I told you in my last video, if we're dropping below that, I would personally expect us to come once more in this larger support area. But that's not the primary scenario I'm following. Primarily, I expect from here straight forward a bounce here in this region, around about the 36,000 US dollars. If not, we need to think about a larger wave 2 and then a reversal to the upside. As long as we are holding support, I have no reasons to change my microwave count here, and I keep my focus on the upside. Let's now have a look at the QNT chart as well, and you can, of course, unsurprisingly see that I still stick to my primary scenario as well, even if it's different to Bitcoin, Ethereum and ADA, because I think that this has been an A wave, a B wave, and we are coming down in a C wave in a target which we didn't reach yet. We should come below the A wave low, which we didn't saw or which we didn't see yet. But I think it's what's going to happen. I don't see a good construction, a good structure here for a bottom, to be honest. So that's why it would be rather surprising for me to rally from here. I mean, it can happen, it's not financial advice, but if we are rallying, there is still for me the chance to come down afterwards in this target area because we didn't complete the C wave yet, in my opinion. We didn't go below the A wave low, which is kind of essential in an ABC correction. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this information, don't forget to hit the subscription button down below the video, activate the small little bell so you will always get notified when I upload a new video here for you on this channel. And thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you very much for your support. Smash up the like button if you enjoyed this video. Leave your comments down below. That helps me pushing the YouTube algorithm. And I hope we'll see each other in the next video here on this channel as well. Ciao, ciao.